For many New Zealanders, firearms are a part of life. Some of us use them to keep our land productive, others to feed their whānau.
What do you think Mum would say?
For many, it's a sport or pastime,
You're good to go, just take your time.
an activity that brings people together. In the right hands, with the right safety measures, firearms are an important tool. But without good practices and sensible precautions, they pose a real risk to others.
Get that plan for Monday. How's that
At Tari Pūreke, the Firearms Safety Authority, it's our mission to support the safe and responsible use of firearms in Aotearoa. We are a team of around 500 people working in 12 districts across the Motu, helping make our communities safer. Our job is engaging and educating licence holders on their responsibilities,
See ya.
as well as providing a robust and modern licensing system. This means sharing our understanding of firearms regulations and safety practices, so licence holders everywhere can do the right things. Tari Pūreke checks that people are fit and proper to possess firearms, and we have begun keeping records of where firearms are through the registry. Relationships are key to how we operate as New Zealand's firearms regulator.
See you later. Thanks for your visit.
We work with our communities, offering advice and hearing concerns.
Yeah, Shane, yeah.
G'day, what's this one's name?
Wade.
The deeper the trust,
Coming for a cup of tea.
the better the outcomes. Whereabouts are those kept?
So they're locked up in the garage.
Through collaboration, commitment and consistency, we believe firearms use in Aotearoa can be the safest in the world. To find out more about Tari Pūreke, head to our website